Okay, we are given this line. Let's say this is our line A. Our line A is parallel to our line B. These two parallel lines is being cut by our line C. This is what we call the transversal. So let's say this angle is 130 degrees. So we are going to find the remaining angles. We are going to find the angle, this one, angle, another angle, and so on and so forth. So what are you going to do? So we all know that 130 is this angle is vertical to this angle, meaning to say they are congruent angles. So if it is 130, since they are congruent, this is also 130 degrees. Next. Okay. So this angle, 130 degrees, in our relation, this is also, they are corresponding angles. All corresponding angles is always congruent. So if this angle is congruent to this angle, meaning to say they have the same measures. So if it is 130, this is also 130 degrees. Next. So this angle again is vertical to this angle. All vertical angles, as what I have said a while ago, they are equal measures. They have equal measures, or they are congruent. If this is 130 degrees, this angle is also 130 degrees. So next, we are going to find the remaining angles. We are going to find this angle here, and this angle, also this last one. So let's find first this angle. Since this is a linear pair, meaning to say they are supplementary angles. If this is a supplementary angles, the measures is always 180 degrees. So what are we going to do is to subtract 180 degrees minus 130 degrees, this angle. So we have 50 degrees, meaning to say this angle is 50 degrees. Okay, let's go back to the word vertical angles. Since this angle is vertical to this angle, meaning to say they are congruent. So, if it is 50 degrees, this angle is also 50 degrees. Okay, next, we are going to find this angle. The same thing a while ago, this angle is, correspond to this angle. All corresponding angles are congruent. So if it is 50 degrees, this angle is also 50 degrees. Okay, last one. They are vertical angles. Again, vertical angles is always congruent. If it is 50 degrees, this is also 50 degrees. So this is the measure of all our angles.